Pranams everyone and Namaste. Today we will learn how to do the practice of Bhramari. Bhramari, simply explained, is the sound of the bumblebee. And what are some benefits of the Bhramari Pranayama? It's been scientifically shown and it was very popular during the COVID times. The practice of Bhramari increases the concentration of nitric oxide, which increases the immunity of the body. So the body is more resilient and resistant to external bacteria or foreign bodies. Bhramari practice also helps to go within. So if one is an extrovert, the practice of Bhramari helps one become an introvert. So if one wants to use the practice of Bhramari as a precursor to meditation, one will observe that the meditation becomes slightly better when practice Bhramari before. How much should one practice? One can practice 3 rounds of Bhramari, and in each round we practice 10 times, 5 to 10 times. Now, how do we do this practice? There are few methods. Let me discuss all these methods with you, and you can practice whichever feels natural and comfortable. One popular technique is adopting the Shanmukhi Mudra. That is, you'll use the thumb to shut your ears. The forefinger will be placed above the eyebrow. The middle finger will be pressed at the edge of the eyes. The ring finger below the nostril and the little finger below the lower lip. The idea is that we are trying to shut all the exits or orifices on our face, and we will exhale by making the sound of the bumblebee like this. And you'll extend that makara for as long as you can. Now, what is the sound? Is it ma or or what should be the decibel? Pick the decibel which increases the vibration in your head. So it shouldn't be too loud or the decibel should not be too low. Somewhere in between, which increases the vibration to the head. So it is not or but somewhere in between. You'll observe the vibration starts from the edge of the nose and goes up till the crown of the head. That will be the sound. Another method is by placing the thumb and shutting the ears and the other 4 fingers over the head like this. Everything else remains the same. The last method is by shutting the entrance of the nostril using your thumb and your forefinger. You're not completely shutting the nose, but just giving it enough gap for the air to pass out. And because these fingertips are touching the edge of the nostril, you will observe that the vibration to the nose and the crown of the head is much more, like this. But please ensure that your hands are clean before you practice this way. So this is the practice of Bhramari. You can practice 3 rounds, and in each round go up till 5 to 10 makaras. Now, who shouldn't be doing this practice? If you are already an introvert or are undergoing some sort of depression, or you are very stressed, it is better you avoid this practice because it will make you even more introvert. It is better that you practice some energizing pranayama practice like Bhastrika or Kapalbhati, or even better, practice asanas which increases the rajasic tendency in your body, and then get into the practice of Bhramari to center yourself. Very good and beneficial practice for meditators, helps to calm and center the mind. Please practice regularly to see benefits. I hope you like this video. Thank you and namaste.